my god, this thing is sick, y'all. I have to be honest. Jumping is what I'm most scared about on this thing. You guys can make fun of me all you want. I'm a 37-year-old dad with responsibilities, and I've been jumping gas bikes my whole life, mostly 4-stroke 450s for the last, what? Fuel injected 4-stroke 450s for the last 15 years. So I'm going to take my time learning on this thing. I might not jump a single jump today. Okay, I think that'll be easy. Still got some braking bumps out here from last time. The ability to loft your front wheel over stuff because you have so much torque is just nuts. Oh my god. Oh my god. The turning ability. So that 180 right back, make sure my tire's not flat. No. So that 180 back there is miserable on a 450. Tyler made it on the 250, and just trying to handle those physics on the 450 is miserable, but on this, they're fine. Oh, it's weird the noises you hear. Sketch me out. You definitely get so much more feedback on this hard pack to your rear tire as far as what you hear. Oh, all right, little front wheel high. This KYB doesn't soak it up quite as nice as my WP on my 450, but this bike's 30 pounds more too. And this is the first time I've ever been up here on my moto track on a full-size dirt bike, like seriously riding. And my neighbors in that subdivision down there don't know I'm here and don't care. I've noticed you've got to be a little bit careful. You can't just grab a handful, because you can actually get a little bit of extra tire spin off the face and it can run you sideways. I think I'm about ready to hit that. Just a reminder. Oh my god, I've never gotten air like that off that landing because that bogs a gas bike. This is nuts. It's gonna make so many more combos and stuff possible. So yeah, just a reminder, I'm in map 2. little bit better. Oh, I'm in map 2, which is like, I think right at 50 horsepower, but I turned that regenerative braking down to 30, and I'm gonna play with that some more and find out what my sweet spot number is. But I can tell you 80 was way too much. It felt like an old, like, YZ426 from back in the day, those tractors. All right, well, I'm gonna pull over and grab some vertical video for TikTok real quick, but first impressions, I love it. I'd trade in my 450 right now for one of these.